Now we're gonna have really fun. So I have prepared this. You can have any plastic actually. I'm using like the one to wrap, plastic wrap to wrap like food, anything actually from a kitchen. You can even have like grocery store, some plastic bag also will work. Just open, cut it and put it. So we will apply paint there later. Then I have brush, any brush you have, really doesn't really matter at all. Then my watercolor here, of course water. This is it, nothing else we need, so we are ready to start our experiment. Of course, how can I forget, we also need paper, but not right now, we'll need it a bit later actually. So what I'm doing now, I'm actually taking like a watercolor. I decided to start from, this one will be bright, like red, yellow, orange, so I'll go with yellow. Just directly go to the color. You really need like good amount of color, not a little bit. You don't put too much water, and just apply anywhere you like. I mean, just very random, I would say. If you want, you can add more. Then I'm not really cleaning, just a little bit into water, and I go to like orange one, let's say. Yeah, I like to mix colors, and I don't mind if they are dirty, so it's fine. You're an artist, I would say. Just apply next to it, randomly. Just literally where you really like. Let's go to the red one. I still have enough water. I will just go for the red one, for this one. And apply somewhere next to it. Ho, 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 ho. And let's grab one more color. I will have a little bit of water, and just a little bit of water. And I'll go for maybe this pink. Yeah. Too much water, I feel like, but it's okay. Where? Let's put here. Here, a little bit here, in the middle. Okay, let's get a little bit more. Up, 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 up. So, done. So now we are taking our paper. Make sure you use the side where you usually paint, just turn opposite way and just apply on your watercolor. Oh, let's see what's gonna happen. I'm really curious what's actually there. So you know what we can do? We can even see it this way. Haha. So, and let's see. This is what we have. Really cool. I think it's nice to try with your kids. Very easy. You can see how nicely yellow go to orange, orange to red, to pink. They mixed very nicely. And after it dry, you can add some paint, you can try to imagine what it can be, maybe some branches, you're gonna do some tree, autumn tree. You know what, just develop your imagination. Voila. Let's try one more. I took a grocery bag. You see it's like different kind of quality, and I would do it this way. So when I apply my paper, I think you will have some more fun pattern, but let's try. And I will go with the green, yellow and blue colors now. So let's start from yellow again. My yellow a little bit, not really clean, but it's okay. You see, it's getting clean right away actually when you apply. And again, let's just put it somewhere. Let's add this. Let's also add this one. It's a little bit brighter, it's more on the green side, just next to it. With water. Say maybe here too. I'm not sure what I'm doing, but doing just something I feel like. Then I'm not really cleaning my brush, and I'm going to, let's take this. This is kind of in between blue and green. I love this color a lot. It's really special color. And let's take next to it, it's blue one. Again, I'm not cleaning my brush, so a bit of water maybe, and let's just add a little bit more. I think I want maybe this green too. It's very bright green, nice. It will be very nice to have. I have no idea what we're gonna get, but let's see. Maybe I will add a little bit of yellow too. Oh my god, my water is so colorful now. So I'll go with the yellow. I get a little bit of yellow. Looks cool actually already, so let's try. Again, having my watercolor paper upside down and just applying like that. Are you ready to see what we get? You remember the original one, the first one was like that, right? So we will have something to compare now. Let's see. Whoop! This is what we have. Cool, very cool, I think. You see two completely different patterns. This is what we have: red, orange, and yellow, green, blue, and yellow. Two completely different colors and two different way. Oh, I mean, same way, but we just use different plastic. And I think it's good. It's really good. Now what you see, you can see and try to do something from that. Maybe it looks like grass, maybe it looks like tree for you, so you add some branches and you have really nice art. So even if me, I would create postcard from that, you know, write something to your friend, add something on top of it, and nice cool art. So I think it's very nice. So try it with your kids. And let me know in comments if it was really easy or it was not. You have some questions, I'm happy to reply. And don't forget to subscribe, and we'll do much more fun and more art with you together.